Hello and welcome. Okay, let us discuss breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs, if you can imagine a series of breadcrumbs leading you somewhere, they are present in your Remarkable and they're dynamic, which means they give you a way to follow a path, right? So think of breadcrumbs as a path. And a lot of people don't know that you can actually press, so I'm closing the document, just pull down from the top and make sure you do it very lightly. So most people don't know that this here, these are the breadcrumbs and that they're dynamic. So if I want to go to work, if I click on that, I will get into my work folder, right? Now I was in Navi, so let me click back on Navi to show you the breadcrumb as it goes down. If I want to get back home to my home, there's a few ways you can do it. You can tap on Remarkable, you can tap on My Files, or you can tap on My Files in here, right? But I'm just going to click off that for a second. But this is dynamic. So any one of these words, when you tap on them, they will take you to that folder. So that's really, really good to know. So now if I tap on My Files, it will take me back to My Files. See how there's nothing after it? That means I'm back in the root directory, the home directory. If I go into Inbox and I go into June and I go, I'm only 3 deep in here. So, or actually if I go into Done, there we go. Then what you can see is this is the breadcrumbs. Within My Files is my inbox. Within my inbox is each month. Within each month is my Done folder. And in June, whatever's active is sitting here if there's something outstanding to be done. But I can go into Done and I can access any one of these. So I can actually get to my inbox just by tapping on Inbox. I can skip going back all through the places. So just know, let's go back in there and go back to Done because it's 4 deep. Just know they are all dynamic and they're called breadcrumbs. So I'll just go back to the document drawer, which is 2 down from the top. Come back into our document and just close that just so that we can see it. So My Files Workshop. So as I was just showing you, that's really what I was showing you. They are dynamic links. Each word is a link and you can use your finger or you can also use your marker pen. It will work with both out in the home directory. That does not work that way inside of a hyperlinked document, but out in the home directory, that's how it works. So I hope that helps. Any love on the channel would be awesome. I would love a thumbs up and a nice comment. That would be wonderful. Thanks so much.